You might be thinking this home equity conversion mortgage program sounds really interesting, but I need to see how it works. Well, let me show you. Let's say we have a married couple who are both 65 years old and they currently live in a home that no longer suits their needs. They want to buy a new home and will make roughly $235,000 from the sale of their current home. They don't want to use any additional money for the new home purchase, and they don't want to have a mortgage payment at their age either. They also don't want to make many compromises with their new home. After all, this is probably going to be the last home that they will ever own, so it needs to be just right for them. If they want to pay cash, they're limited to buy a home up to $235,000. However, they come across the perfect home available for $300,000. So now they have three options. Option 1, they decide to just pay cash. They pass on their perfect home and they settle for a $235,000 home, even though it's not the one that they really want. Option 2, they can buy the $300,000 dream home and get a traditional mortgage for the difference needed. This likely means having a monthly payment for the rest of their lives, which for many baby boomers and older Americans is just not in their retirement plans. Or option 3, they can buy their dream home using a HECM for purchase loan instead. They would pay a one-time payment of roughly $171,000 and then keep the rest of their $235,000 for other needs. We would give them a HECM for purchase loan for the balance needed of $129,000, and their required monthly payments will be zero for the rest of their lives. The interest on the HECM loan accrues, so their balance increases slightly each month. However, if at any time they wish to pay on the principal or the interest, that is entirely their option, and the loan balance would then reduce. If they never want to make a monthly payment ever, that's okay too. This couple just purchased their $300,000 dream home for a one-time payment of $171,000 of their $235,000 available. They got to keep the $64,000 difference for other needs, despite originally thinking they needed to spend it, and the best part is that they never have to make a monthly mortgage payment if they don't want to. Call us today, and we will send you a personalized benefits packet about this revolutionary program. There are so many older Americans buying a new home using the home equity conversion mortgage. Maybe you can too.